Welcome to the Sherman Theatre in Cardiff. This is the first day of the National Theatre Connections Partner Festival, and our learners have got an amazing opportunity to perform on a professional stage.
We are at the Sherman Theatre and I will be performing the play that my course has been working on. It's called Kiss, Marry, Push Off a Cliff.
The learners have had an incredible experience. For many of them, this is the first time that they've ever read a play. It's the first time that perhaps they've ever performed on a stage or in front of any kind of audience.
I've never done acting. I've never had the opportunity of stuff like this in my life. Before I come to this college, I was actually put into level 2 hairdressing. But then I thought, no, I needed to go into acting. I just needed to do it, and I think it's the right choice because everything has been going well since I've chose it.
In the lead up today, we've had loads and loads of rehearsals. We've had feedback from our tutors, our peers, different courses coming to see us, different audiences. So we've got loads and loads of stuff to work on, but we've had loads of positive feedback as well. Definitely, I would recommend this course. You get provided so many opportunities. It's always filled with great people. The tutors are great. They're so supportive. We have loads and loads of support all the time. It's absolutely amazing.